Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to convert PDF to Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first of all, basically what you're gonna have to do, you need to open up your browser here and search this in it like PDF to Excel, and then here are like a bunch of different websites that will basically convert your PDF file into Microsoft Excel. But I really like this site here, so I will just open up this site, which is I love pdf.com, and then basically you need to select your PDF file that you want to convert into my Microsoft Excel file. So I will click on this option, and from here I will select this option here, and I will click on OK here, and then it will first upload the file, and then you need to click on this option where it says convert to Excel. Just click on this one and then click on download Excel, and then it will download the file for you. Okay, and once it's done, we will just open up this file here, and once the file is opened up, basically we need to enable this one. So we will click on this one here, enable editing here, and now basically we can edit it like a simple spreadsheet. Okay, so here you can see. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.